Hi friends, you're watching Relina Day and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and hope you all did not miss me because I know I'm not very regular on my YouTube channel. It has been a very hectic schedule for me this week. Somehow I was dealing with it. Well, this is not the time to talk about. Let's cast this aside and let's not talk about it. Let's not waste much time because I would like to directly move on with what I'm very much excited about, and I have honestly no intention to spoil my excitement today because the brand that I'm going to talk about is very important for our skincare, and I would like all of you to know how important it is for your skin also. So okay, before moving on, I would like to mention those who have subscribed to my channel. My videos are all for you and I'm very thankful to all of those who haven't subscribed to my channel. They are earnestly requested to please go and hit the subscribe button so that you can follow all my videos just as my subscribers are doing. Thank you. So guys, the brand that I'm very excited to talk about is none other than Recast. You can go to Instagram and directly type Recast Labs if you want to visit their profile and know more about their products. When I came across, like, I have been following this brand since a long time, so when I came across their products, like, I was just surfing through their profile on Instagram to find that their products don't just only deal with cosmetic purposes. They also consist of certain solutions and formulas in them, like few acids like hyaluronic acid, salicylic acid, ascorbic acids, vitamin E, vitamin C, and all that is very necessary, and all the essentials for our body or for our skin are the main ingredients and components in their products. So they are not just for cosmetic purpose. These products are scientifically proven and dermatologically tested, which means these can also be prescribed to patients with sensitive skin type who are generally suffering from severe skin problems or skin concerns, Well, so this was the main reason why I decided to purchase some products for myself from this brand. And so now it's time. I'm going to show you what products I got for me. I just got 2 serums, one for my skin type. The Flash Peel Serum is exactly is very suitable for my skin type. I'll tell you why. And this is for my mom because she has an oily skin type. She faces various acne problems. So this is Salicylic Gel Peel Serum, which is again suitable for her skin type. So yeah, these are the 2 products that I've got. After this short introduction, I'll give you a short recap of the products. So just stay tuned and keep watching the video. So guys, individually, if I talk about the products, then the first product that I have in my hand from Recast is the Flash Peel Serum. So this is the first product from Recast that I have already tried my hands on, and it's been 3 days consecutively that I have been using this serum. Now I'm going to show you why it is called a gel pill serum. So did you notice the consistency of the product? How gooey and gummy it is, because it consists of hyaluronic acid, which is a gooey acid. Like, it has this stickiness. I'll be giving down all the benefits of hyaluronic acid in my description box. Please go and check, and I'll tell you like why this hyaluronic acid and other components in this serum is so helpful for my skin. Like, it is not anything that will happen overnight, like immediately you apply this you'll feel the biggest change in the world. Nothing like that. I will suggest to use it for at least 1 month to get the actual result or the effect that you are waiting for. Name of the serum, it is known as Flash Peel Serum. Flash Peel Serum consists of alpha arbutin 2%, hyaluronic acid and ascorbic acid. Both these acids help to cleanse your pore out and prevent acne, also prevents black patches or any redness or rashes on your skin, also helps prevent inflammation of your skin. So this is how it makes your skin even and also glowing than it normally is, like more glowing than it normally is. So now I'm going to jump on the application of it. There is like 2 ways of applying it. You can also follow the rinse off application or the leave on application. So let's talk about the rinse off application. And take the required amount in your hand and apply it evenly on the surface of your skin. Let it rest on it for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes for this particular solution, okay? And this is for all skin types. And after 15 minutes, if it does not cause any irritation on your skin, you can neutralize it with water or just normally rinse it off. The skin should be dry and clean before you apply it. I used it both the ways, like both for the rinse off and leave on. I'm going to give the review. So the first time I used the serum, the first thing that struck my mind about it is that it's not harmful for my skin. Like I should use it more. That when I went on using it, it is not aggravating any kind of irritation on my skin. If there is any pimple, it is not irritating the pimple, and instead it is helping me combat the dryness of my skin, and it is making my skin radiant. You can see the glow. Like I've also applied it before I sat to make this video. I hope with every next use I'll feel the similar change in my skin, and I'll feel the change will be for better. I'll thank this product obviously. So now I'll move on to the next serum, which is not for my skin type though, but I got it for my mom as she has dilated pores and acne problem in her skin. So this product that I'm going to talk about is perfect for acne prone skin. So this is the salicylic acid 2% solution. So I will also like to start with it in the same way, showing the consistency. Like it is a translucent colored solution, yeah, and it has the same jelly like or gooey like what do you call it, it is the same sticky mixture. And coming to the application, this also has 2 types of application: rinse off and leave on. So it's your choice. Anyway, you can use it according to your convenience. So I prefer the rinse off application personally. So this also follows the same procedure, but here after applying it on your skin evenly, you are going to keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that, okay? This is suggested to keep rest it on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes before you wash it off. And in case of leave on application, where you are just going to leave it on, okay, just take 3 to 5 drops of it and apply it on your clean and damp skin, and keep massaging or patting on your skin unless it gets completely absorbed. So how easy. Now I would like to talk about the function of salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is an anti-acne. It helps in sebum control, or the secretion from your sebaceous gland is controlled, and that is helped by salicylic acid. And it also reduces your pores. So if you have very dilated pores, like easily oil and dirt gets deposited in your pore, that problem will be solved by it, because if your pore is reduced or the size of your pore is reduced, then chances of dirt getting into pore also gets reduced. So my mom is using this product since a day or 2 ago. So she is loving it, because this product has also helped in calming her skin down, and it is not irritating the problems that she has on her skin. It is not aggravating the problem, it is not harming her, and she is happy because in turn this solution is actually helping to calm down whatever problem she has on her skin. She also has pigmentation and everything, so there is no side effects of using this product because it is not disturbing anything. My mom has a sensitive oily skin type, like it's very oily, so she needs like her skin needs something to control its sebum production. So this is the perfect product for her, and if you guys also have the same skin type, then I suggest that go for this product. Nothing can be more perfect or nothing can be more ideal than this product for your skin. Okay, so I'll be giving every links down in my description box. If you want to order, you can go to those links, or you can directly type the Vika's Lab handle on Instagram to go and DM them if you want to order these products. So this is where I would like to end my video. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and hope this video was enough helpful for you. And if you have any queries or anything more to know, then please let me know in my comments down below so that I can help you out. Yes, tatas.